Hi teachers, today we're going to do some checking and getting ready for the end of semester grades. In order to do that, first we need to verify that 100% of our cycle weights are set up with 30, 30, 30, and 10 for final. In order to do that, please log into your PowerSchools, then go to your PowerTeacher Pro. Once you're in your PowerTeacher Pro, you need to go into Settings, Traditional Grade Calculations. We will be checking traditional grade calculations for all grades except for advocacy. Please do not do this for advocacy. You're going to go down to your semester A courses only. So here we are. You're going to go to semester 1 reporting term because we're checking for the whole semester. You can go to action, which is this little pencil here. And it should tell you 30% for cycle 1, cycle 2, cycle 3, and exam 1 or semester exam 1, which is 10%. If your screen does not look like this for 100% of your classes that you check down here, then you need to screenshot it, email it to Ms. Guetta, CC your appraiser so that we can support you further. Once that's checked, there's no editing, nothing you need to do. You're going to close it out. You're going to close that. Don't go to B. B is next semester. Go to your next one, that's semester A. Action, check again, rinse and repeat. Again, if it's not in there, this is where you screenshot the error and send it to Ms. Guerra so we can support you further. Now, we're actually going to go and create the final exam assignment within our system. To do that, you go back to grading, you go to score sheet. When you do that, it's going to put you back in advocacy. Remember, advocacy is not a credited course that you're giving grades for. That was an intervention time. So you're going to go to class for E1. Do not go to advocacy score sheet. So you drop down, you go to your first period that you're going to work on, semester A, not semester B. We're only in semester 1, semester A. Click on that score sheet. That will load. Then you go ahead and ensure that you are in E1 up here. Okay, make sure you're in E1. And then you're going to go ahead and add that assignment. When you're in E1, you want to make sure you're in E1. You're in the correct period, correct semester. Add assignment. Assignment will be for your class for semester A. If you teach English 1A, for example, all throughout the day, you would just click all of the ones for semester A. Okay. Your assignment name must be Final Exam S1. That will be the same naming protocol across the board. Unfortunately, PowerSchools will not let you save right away without selecting a category. So go ahead and select the summative assessment category. It will not negatively impact that student. The due date must be 1/30, and I know that's a Saturday. That's okay. Due date is 1/30. Everything below traditional grade options, ignore. You do not need to touch any of this other stuff. You're just going to save and close. Once you have done that, your final exam grade would be here. In order to double check that that exists, all right, so this is where you would put in those grades for those students, etc., etc. And then you will repeat this for everyone. In order to check that this exists, you want to go back to grading and you want to go back to all reporting terms, and it should be there that you have created it correctly. You should be able to see all the averages, including the semester exam average. You're doing this for every period that you teach for this semester, only semester 1. Should you have any questions or concerns, please go ahead and email or reach out to your appraiser.